Hi, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm preparing a paratha recipe using broken wheat or dalia and chana dal. This is super simple to make and the ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing and click the bell and also like, share and comment. So let's move into the video. So to begin with, I've got some broken wheat or dalia and chana dal in a bowl. I'm going to wash and clean this nicely. Once it's washed and clean, I'm adding 3/4 cup of normal room temperature water to this. Now we'll pressure cook this for 3 whistles on high. Once cooked, I've cooled the mixture completely and kept it aside. In another bowl, I've taken whole wheat flour and some salt to taste. And I've also prepared a paste of ginger, green chillies and coriander leaves. We'll add 1 teaspoon of this mixture to the whole wheat flour. We'll also add in the dalia chana dal mixture to the flour. Now we'll combine everything together and make a paratha dough out of this, adding sufficient water. So my paratha dough is ready. I'm going to let this rest for a few minutes. I've prepared equal portions of the dough and also kept some wheat flour for dusting the parathas. Now let's start rolling them. I'm rolling it like a normal paratha. Once done, I've got a tawa on fire. I'm going to transfer the paratha to that. Now we'll grease it with some oil or ghee. We will cook the paratha until it's cooked from both sides and turns golden brown in color. So the paratha is done, we'll make the rest of them in the same way. So this is a nice option for a paratha recipe. Do try this at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.